All right, my beautiful friends. What do you think of that? Do you know what that is? Because I'm not sure either. Actually, it refers to this screwball market, and I want to cover that real quick. So a very confusing day, or whatever that symbol is back here. That's what this market looked like to me. So how did we finish the day? Mixed. We had the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which was up triple digits at one point. It put on a loss, not much, like 50 points. NASDAQ finished in the positive. Stock buybacks are here again. Microsoft, yeah, that helped boost the NASDAQ. S&P 500 put on a fractional gain. The debt market was again the story, but there was some like mixed signals there as well. We had some hardcore buying early on, which seemed to back off. Now, the dollar fell under a little bit of weakness today. Metals put on a little bit of a gain, nothing major. Cryptocurrencies were mixed as well. So again, it brings us back to this lovely symbol back here. I don't know what that is. But when the market is facing a moment like this, like uncertainty, doesn't like it. I'm not saying that we're going to see a sell-off, but I would not be surprised to see this market give back a little bit here, only to move higher. Understand, I covered this earlier. The market is not real. It's completely managed. We have the Mnuchin's 6 Wall Street banks that run the lovely Federal Reserve buying the market. We got the Federal Reserve buying stocks as well, and buying debt, and issuing capital injections to the financial sector. So what can possibly go freaking wrong? No, seriously. But again, just gauging, today was weird. Today was that symbol, whatever it is, just some kind of screwy thing. It was just weird. I don't know another way to put it. I would believe most of you traders would feel the same way. You know, as a trader, you get kind of a weird feeling from this market from time to time. And I got a kind of a weird feeling today. I mean, this morning it was like off to the races. And then all of a sudden things just got strange. They are strange. Again, this is where no man, no woman has gone before. Star Trek, you know, it's crazy. So it's so crazy. But anyway, with that in mind, again, keep your eye on that debt market. We are back on a 2 to 10 inversion watch. Now let me put a little perspective on that real quick. We still have a full spectrum yield curve inversion, okay, referring to the federal funds rate and the 30-year. Everyone's fixated on the 2 to 10, but you know, that's not my ball game. I look at the entire curve as a whole, and the entire curve is horribly unhealthy. Horribly unhealthy. You know, kind of like our unemployment rate. You know, the fake numbers that they give you. Do you know what the U6 number is? The semi-real number. It's 7.2. Imagine if they would start flashing that unemployment 7.2. Any number above 6 is considered unhealthy. A 7.2 is very unhealthy, but you will never hear that number come out of any of the politicians' mouth that are looking to be reelected, or the ones that are trying to, you know, just keep you in the dark. They don't want you to know the truth whatsoever. It's all about the lies, the nonsense, the garbage, the dog shit that they need to fist feed you over and over again. Anyway, just touching back on this market, very weird day today. But again, don't think, at least right now, that there's going to be some kind of a meltdown unless there's a black swan event. I mean, we have forces working in this market, and they're overt. I mean, we all know what's going on. It's an incredible thing. Banks buying the market, Fed buying stocks as well, buying debt too, capital injections, rates going lower. There is no doubt about it. Dollar intervention or dollar devaluation, that's coming too. So again, these things are stock market positive, at the same time forcing the members of the middle class, giving them the Herculean task of keeping this market propped up by being robbed blind. Seriously, that's the situation we are in. It's going to get monumentally worse. Believe me, monumentally worse. All right, so with that said, let's readdress this tomorrow. Let's ponder this thing here, whatever it is. Maybe I'm going to draw it on my head. I don't know. You know I do weird things like that from time to time. Maybe I should have done it today. Maybe we should all wear that on our heads and see how people react to it. You know, just pretend it's not there. Carry on a conversation with people and see if they look at your eyes or they look at the thing on your head. I don't know. Sometimes you gotta have a little freaking fun. You do. With that said, this guy loves you a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. We will reconvene in this spot tomorrow for some more fun and games. I'm out of here. See you in the morning.